Did you know that every cell in our body relies on NAD+ to maintain optimal function? As we age, the levels of NAD+ in our body gradually decline, impacting body energy and overall vitality. Want to keep your cells energized with real science? Try CELFULL NAD+. Micro-delivery technology in 17-in-1 formula. No additional combinations needed. Maximum absorption for better results. Using patent and microsphere technology, absorption rate is 3.6 tons, higher than ordinary capsules. Customer highly praise CELFULL NAD+, full boosting energy, improving skin vitality, and enhancing mathematic performance.
CELFULL NAD+ is getting me back on track. I'm feeling less fatigue even with little sleep because of my baby. I have more energy and I feel like myself again.
Certified by strict standards in multiple countries worldwide, with multiple US patterns. Quality and safety are guaranteed. Provide your cells the support they need. Boost NAD+ levels, and return to youthful vitality with CELFULL NAD+. After that, age is just a number to you.